Hey team, I wanted to bring your attention to a new feature of HubSpot that I thought would be helpful for you. I'm currently on a deal record here, but this is true of contact records, company records, custom objects, whatever the record might be. We have these new color badges or color dots that help us surface information. Yeah, maybe, nice to look at on the individual record, but more importantly, on the top level index view, if we jump over to all deals in the pipeline, these actually really quickly help communicate information about either deal type or probability or whatever it might be. For a long time, we had the ability to add tags that looked similar to this with a little bit more deeper logic behind what would flag them. Maybe contract expiration date passed. We could flag there with some custom little tag. But now we can just simply pull properties in and help the team quickly, in this instance, understand how many websites are in the pipeline or in the contract send stage. How many are consulting agreements or full service retainers? Probability, I think, is also a nice one if we want to see, hey, what do we need to prepare for closing anytime soon here? So just wanted to encourage you to think about how you can use this type of segmentation on your deals. Let me know if I can help implement it. Setting up these properties is easy. I've got one open here as an example. Looking at probability, just simply changing this display mode from default to either colored dot or to colored badge, and then you can select the different colors that represent. So super easy to set up, but certainly happy to help you configure your portal to meet your specific needs. All right, thanks very much.